Ducktown Tavern drama.
Yeah, there was a lot of drama tonight. I didn't like it.
You drank all night?
Yeah, J-Mo.
Yeah.
The bartender at Scores actually calls me Jamie.
Did you go to Scores?
We like drinking there. It's our favorite place to drink.
It's really fancy.
It's nice. It's a good place to drink.
I'm kind of a big deal.
And you can dress up like we drag queens, like us.
And you fit right in.
You fit in.
It's fun, gone, what cat?
Absolutely. You know, the girls were better when it first opened.
I don't know who you are. I don't know who the fuck you are.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Jeff LaFay. I met this girl on the train.
We're on the choo-choo train, and we're on rail.
And we're gonna go to Scores tomorrow night.
Scores tomorrow night.
What are you gonna
Scores tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night. And what are you gonna do? Make it rain on these hoes. And make it rain, I make it rain, I make it rain on these hoes.
I'm gonna give you everything.
I make it rain on these hoes, babe.
I make it rain.
What's your poison?
Jameson.
I like Patron and Vodka, and then I have Jameson.
My main favorite is probably Grey Goose.
I like Grey Goose. I have that too.
I like Grey Goose. I like the Heineken.
I don't like that.
Well, you're a girl, so.
Come on.
Hold it. Your name's her new boyfriend. With Mr. LaFay. He's French. He's fancy. Well, it's me.
What happened to that boy?
And how do I get this for you guys?
We got it.
This is a good train ride.
Benaki.
This is a good train ride.
Take your fucking like your nun jacket off.
I'm a nun?
Yes. Oh, she's a nun. She is a nun.
My hair is horrible.
She's a nun.
It's all good.
Casey, the love of my life, my best friend, my best motherfucking friend. I love her, I love her, I love her, I love her. I love her.
Go Ducktown.
We're drunk and loving. Go Ducktown.
But I love her.
Ducktown.
Ducktown
Ducktown is so much
Tavern.
fun
Her
last night.
lips taste like cotton candy.
They do. Hairspray and cigarettes. Wait, does it smell bad? Doesn't smell bad.
Say hello.
Hello.
Hi, Mom. Say hello.
Hey, what's good?
It's a video.
Yeah, I'm in the video today.
Yeah.
Going to fucking work.
We don't like to work.
Yeah. Say hi.
Hello.
It's a video. Hi. You know what's up?
It's the morning train.
Okay.
It's the work train.
Hi.
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 Where you guys from?
Atlantic City.
This is work for real?
Yeah.
You're so fancy and then you're wearing that?
You made you get kicked off the train.
Hey, where's your finger?
Yeah, wait, you know what?
No,
The girl's
your
gonna
other
come around,
finger.
now we just made a stop.
Oh, yeah. Oh. They're all coming around. What do you do?
She's gonna come around now.